And today is unboxing day. Hey everybody, Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. It is another hot one, but nevertheless we have stuff that needs to be done. But before we get started, today is an unboxing day and I am very excited about this. I have been waiting. Let's get to opening this up. I do a lot of Shosugi ban, and that's the burning or the charring of the surface of the wood. But I'm usually doing it with the handheld propane torch, and that's okay for small stuff. It works really well. I've got an order though for a cornhole board, and I need to char the whole surface of that. And while I could do it with the little handheld torch, it has such a small footprint, it's really hard to get a nice, even, consistent look with that. So we need something bigger. Always bigger. And that's where this guy comes in. We've all seen them on like the home improvement shows or lawn and garden shows. A lot of people use these to like burn weeds. That's probably what they were originally for, is to like torch weeds. But I see a lot of people using these weed burning torches for large area Shosugi ban. And that's what we're gonna do with this today. Let's open her up. Instruction manual. Hose. Oh my gosh. Well, look at that. Say hello to my little friend. Okay, so to get serious for just a second, there is a brief owner's manual here. We've got a 10-foot hose here, which should be very easy. And then we've got the thing of beauty right here. We've got the wand, nice little brass trigger attachment, a regulator valve, an ignition switch, and then the business end, which this is what's really gonna get the job done. This nozzle end right here is a thing of beauty. I love it. Hello. It's gonna be fantastic. I can't wait to hook this baby up and try it out. Let's do it. Okay, so I'm about to get started. I'm hooked up, I'm ready to go. I will say, since I'm not going to take this out, I did put some Teflon tape on this and just wound it around the threads a couple of times. Put that on there. I did waste about 15 minutes putting it together because I forgot that these are left-handed threads, so it's not lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, it's the opposite. So anyway, we got these all together. Everything's snugged up and tightened up, and we're ready to burn something. Here we go. All right, so it is the middle of June. It's hot, it's humid in Georgia. I'm sweating. Nevertheless, I'm out here sacrificing myself for this video. So I am gonna start on the back side of one of the cornhole boards because I've never done this with this device before. So let's see how it goes. All right, turning on the valve. Was that awesome? That was awesome. Dangerous? Yes. Awesome? Absolutely. I love it. I love it. I've got to learn how to use it better, but this is a success. I love this. All right, I want to burn everything now. Hey, thanks a lot for being here. I know it hasn't been pleasant watching me sweat out here, but man, this is awesome. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned a little something from it. I'll post some more stuff where we're using this. If you like this video, definitely give us a thumbs up, like the video, leave some comments, tell your friends about it. And if you like stuff like this, we're doing things like this all the time. So subscribe to our channel, join us, and be a part of our family. Thanks a lot. Have a great day. Let's go burn something else. We're gonna set something on fire. Don't stop. If I set myself on fire, we'll get 1 million views.
Don't point it at your face, you big dummy.
Woo! Shosugi. Yeah.
I ain't got much life insurance on you, and I gotta get it approved.